2021 marks the 100th anniversary of the Communist Party of China. The CPC was founded in 1921 after the collapse of the Qing dynasty in 1912 and has 92 million members from all walks of life. Let's go a little back in history. During the period from 1949 to 1978, the party worked to unite Chinese people to achieve the socialist revolution. As a result, CPC contributed to building a comprehensive industrial and nationalist economic system. However, the party's success was not achieved overnight. The party experienced several challenges, especially in the beginning from the imperialists, colonialists, feudalists, capitalists, and Western democracy. Agricultural reforms was the first success of CPC that resulted in more reforms being introduced in several other sectors, including industry, trade, business education, and the social sector, along with various others. Since President Xi Jinping took office in 2012, China has been more territorial over the South China Sea. Moreover, China has also made efforts to expand internationally. This has been done through the Belt and Road Initiative that has been successful in building ports, power stations, train lines, and other infrastructure overseas. The president also plans to revive China in cultural, economic, and political realms as center of the power in East Asia. CPC has served for the welfare of Chinese citizens during the times of a crisis. This is visible from the role played by the party after the outbreak of COVID-19. China was the first country to be affected by the virus at the time when there was very little or absolutely no awareness regarding the virus. The party employed scientists to study the virus so that it could be contained. It performed an active role in implementing a policy to combat the virus. President Xi worked hard to ensure the lockdown mechanisms were put into place. Let's talk about the Pakistan-China friendship, or rather the brotherhood these two beautiful countries share. This year will mark the 7 decades of diplomatic relations between these two countries. This relationship has been further strengthened by the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Prime Minister Imran Khan has recently stated that the people of China hold a very special place in the hearts of Pakistani people. China has always been an extremely dear friend of Pakistan. He further goes on to say that the two countries have always stood together with each other on every platform, and that China has always helped Pakistan in the time of need. Question is, how do we deepen these already strong ties?
Whenever Pakistan was in trouble, whenever I'm in trouble politically, internationally, when we had conflicts with our neighbor, China always stood with us.